By the end of this video, I promise you will learn how to create a standard Photoshop document file. Hi, I'm Professor Pixel, and welcome to the first episode of the Photoshop Beginner to Pro course. Today, in the first episode, I'm going to teach you how to create a standard Photoshop document file. So don't miss this video, because this episode is very important. So, when you enter Photoshop, you will encounter this page that consists of 3 sections. The first section shows the images and document files you have previously opened. The second section, which we will not deal with in this section, and the third section, which is related to creating documents and opening images. Click on Create New and wait for a new window to open. Now you can create a document file with your desired settings. Of course, there are also some ready-made document files above that we don't need. Go to Recent, and now we need to change the settings depending on the document we want to create. For example, if you want to create a document file for YouTube thumbnails, enter these settings. Here you can choose the type of background for the document, which is best on white. You can also choose a specific color for the background. Note that you should not change the advanced options settings. From here, you can also choose a name for the document file and save it, and then you can see it in the saved section. Now click Create to create your document file.